If you use bookmarks in Tor Browser, the Bookmarks bar can be really useful for quick access to your favorite sites. But if you prefer a cleaner and more minimal interface, you can also hide it completely. In this video, I'll show you how to show or hide the Bookmarks bar in Tor Browser. Let's get started. First, open Tor Browser on your computer. Now click the three-line menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, go to Bookmarks. Here you will find an option called Show Bookmarks Toolbar. Click it to toggle the Bookmarks bar on or off. If it's enabled, your Bookmarks bar will appear just below the address bar, giving you quick access to saved websites. If you disable it, the browser interface becomes cleaner and more focused on content. There is also a much faster way to do this. You can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus B on Windows or Command plus Shift plus B on Mac. This instantly shows or hides the Bookmarks bar without opening any menus or settings. Most experienced users prefer the shortcut because it's much quicker and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to show or hide the Bookmarks bar in Tor Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more privacy tutorials, browser guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.